How to fix app not responding on Android. If some of the apps or any specific app is not responding, follow these steps. Open settings on your device and go to apps. Now look for the app that you're trying to fix and click on it. You can even go to the search bar on the top and search for it. Once you are in the app info, scroll down and at the very bottom right corner, you will see Force Stop. Enable Force Stop and try opening the app. Now give your device a quick restart. A simple restart clears temporary memory and background processes causing the freeze. Again, go to the app info, scroll down and click on storage. Now tap on clear cache at the bottom right corner to clear your cache. Additionally, also look for any updates that may be available. Go to Play Store or App Store on your device and search for the specific app. If you see any kind of updates available for the app, then update your app. Also, make sure that you are maintaining the storage. If there is insufficient storage on your device, then your device might lag. To fix this, go to Settings on your device and go to the search bar. Search for storage and click on it. If your storage have only 1 to 2 GB free, then try deleting unused apps or files. That's all for today. Thank you.